konnichiwa. So the girls, believe it or not, have never had a baked potato dinner, which I know that seems kind of strange because it's such a common thing, but we've never done like a baked potato bar. So today, not only am I gonna do baked potatoes with all the fixins, I'm gonna be doing an adobo baked potato. Shout out to Chris, my editor. He was the one like, you should do an adobo baked potato. So today I've got some of Papa's leftovers that I'm going to chop up, I'm gonna cook up, and I'm gonna put on a baked potato. I have a feeling it's gonna be mind-blowingly delicious. So the first thing I need to do is wash these potatoes, oil them, salt them, and then throw them into the oven. You gotta have bacon. So Judy was nice enough to bake this bacon. It's the easiest way to cook bacon, by the way, on a sheet pan. Put it in the oven for about 16 minutes at 400 degrees. Comes out perfect like this. So I went to the co-op today and bought tons of toppings. Of course, we had sour cream. Judy asked for cream cheese, green onions. I'm gonna do chives from the garden, shredded cheese, as well as some other fun toppings. But today, especially that adobo. That's gonna be delicious. So I've never done a adobo baked potato, but I did an adobo fried rice yesterday. That was so good. And it's a pork belly adobo, so that makes it even more decadent, that extra fat when you pan fry. And what I do is I chop it up, which I always do for the little ones. I just never thought about doing it for me for fried rice, or in this case, baked potato. So I'm really excited about it. Gotta wash these potatoes really well because of course there's dirt on it. In fact, when I poured it out onto the plate, I could see dirt coming off the skin. So you want to wash these really well. So I'm going to do that first, and then I'll show you what I do to prep it for getting baked. Now that they're washed really well, I'm going to dry all of these off. You want them to be nice and dry. And then I will put oil and salt on these. When I was watching other videos on how to do this, not that it's very complex, I did think it was interesting how some people would, in some cases, scrub off the outer layer of the potato skin. Not necessarily take the whole potato skin off, but really get down there. And it makes for supposedly a crispier potato. And when I say crispier potato, I mean on the outside, obviously, not on the inside. I'm just using avocado oil. A lot of people use olive oil, but I don't want this to smoke. And olive oil has a higher smoking point than olive oil, so that's good. Good, this one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, here. There we go, there we go. Yeah, this is a workout. All right, so now that I added the salt, I did forget I need to poke some holes. I'm gonna do that before putting it into the oven. Okay, we're gonna do all of these on the top rack. I'm gonna go for 350 degrees for 1.5 hours. Oh, it smells awesome already. Yeah! I know you want chili on your baked potato. I'm gonna have all the fixins. But have you ever heard of an adobo baked potato? I'm gonna do an adobo baked potato with your dad's leftover adobo.
She looks, it's really exciting.
Trust me. Did you like my adobo fried rice yesterday?
Yeah, it's really exciting.
Trust me, you're gonna like it.
Everything's adobo. Everything, everywhere I
Oh,
turn.
because there's so much leftovers,
Everywhere I
honey.
turn
Because there's so
adobo.
much leftovers. All right, the toppings. So, classic. Gotta have cheese, of course. Sour cream. And then, not classic, but cream cheese. Judy asked me to buy this. I think it's for bagels, but I thought, why not try it? I do both green onions and chives. I like the onions for the onion flavor, and I like the chives because it's just a classic topping that usually you don't see both of them, but I like the combination of both of them. For the protein, I already shows you the bacon, which I'm about to chop up here, and then chili. Judy really wanted chili. I was able to get 2 cans right down the street. So I'll heat this up. That'll be really good with the cheese. And then last but not least, Papa's leftover pork adobo. I'm just so excited about this. The flavor is just super concentrated right now. Now it's time to chop. Okay, so these chives are from the garden. It's the last of my chives because once fall comes around, it doesn't really grow very much. Now, we're probably not going to use all of this, but what I do is whatever doesn't get used, I will freeze it for omelets, for scrambled eggs, or whatever I might need chives for, where frozen chives would work. And surprisingly, the flavor is really preserved, and I like it, so. Chives. Next, green onions. So what I will do with the green onions, I will separate the whites from the green tips. Whites of the onions. Bacon. Bacon. Adobo.
We call it sun inspection.
Right, right.
Sun inspection, that means make sure all your space are good.
Cheese. Judy added something. Hot Cheetos. All right, so I got all those toppings ready. Oh, this is hot. A little trick I learned on my friend Lisa's YouTube channel is you kind of mush everything or smash all the potato inside of the potato skin, which by the way, this is definitely crispy. Ooh, that's hot. I mean, that's like super hot. But one of the things that they did that I thought was very interesting, and look at this. When the skin separates from the potato, I like that. What they do first is they take a knife, a butter knife, and they separate all the potato from the potato skin like that. By the way, these gloves are really helping because this would burn me so badly right now. Then you break up, which this is nice and soft. This baked potato place would actually create like a mashed potato. I'm gonna put some butter in there. We'll get one on here, another one on the other side. Basically make a mashed potato so it's nice and soft, which is very smart. Ooh, got this Kerrygold butter too, which is perfect for this. And then they put some of the toppings, such as green onions, the cheese, some salt and pepper, and then they bake it again. So I was thinking I should do that as well, if the girls want. Whew, whew. Just get it nice and mixed up. It's like this, get that butter way in there. There we go, and this is the thing. You don't have to twice bake it, just like I mentioned. But doing this makes it so much easier to eat so that you can even take a spoon or even a fork and just scoop it all out. It's all good. See, this is something you'd have to do at the dinner table on your plate. But if you do it previous, makes it kind of easier. It's good to go. Cheese. Okay, going. Ooh, this is super hot. Super, super, super duper hot. All right, honey. Do you want to tell me what you want on it, or do you want me to just go for it?
No, go for it. Just
Okay.
maybe the chili.
Well, first thing I'm
Chili and everything, but don't put the hot Cheetos.
gonna put a little bit of green onions, just a little bit, right? How much chili do you want, hon?
A lot.
Okay.
Because this is like a meal. So.
Yeah, oh, definitely. Put some on the side. A little bit of bacon, right? Just a tiny bit, since you got some meat already in there. Now this is the thing. You already got some cheese, but let's add a little bit more on the top. Just a little bit. Let's put some chives.
Daddy, can I add my own? Yes.
Yeah.
Daddy's just baking mommy's.
This is actually the best place to do it, in my opinion. Boom! Oh wait.
Can they make mine?
Do you want the sour cream on top or on the side?
On top.
Okay.
It looks like ice cream.
There we go.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
There we go. Do you notice a difference with me mixing the butter into the potato?
Honey, this is literally the best baked potato I've ever had in my life.
Mommy, it pops in your nose. Did you think like when you like?
Kira, Leah, how is it?
Good.
Are you good?
Oh, it's thumbs down?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
I don't want your food.
Okay. What about you, Kira? Mia? I'm gonna do the adobo one now.
Oh, because I'm so used to. I don't really like it that much.
Oh well.
So good.
Yeah?
Oh, Bella loves. Oh, should we do the chili?
Now it's time to do the adobo, which I'm so excited about.
You know why I think I'm kind of like weirded out by adobo in this?
Put a little bit of green onion, a little bit of chives. Woo! Woo!
It's not spicy.
Adobo baked potato.
More bacon? That's interesting.
So this looks like chili, but it's actually adobo, which I'm very excited about. Judy has her doubts, so okay, let me try this. Here we go.
Oh.
Okay, honey, can you just take a break? Get a sip of some carbonated water or sparkling water. I'm not even gonna say anything, honey. I'm just not gonna say nothing.
Hi, Dad. Mommy, look.
You know how you like potatoes in the adobo? It's like that.
Mommy,
No, for sure. It tastes like
mommy,
adobo because I do have I mean,
mommy.
it's nothing new to me, to be honest. There's nothing that stands out
So
other than it being
good.
adobo.
Mommy, I bowling.
When's the last time you ate a
course.
baked potato?
Oh, that was a long time ago.
All right.
So,
So
this
what's your
gotta be-
favorite toppings?
Basically the green onions.
Yeah.
And is this parsley right here?
That's chives, but they're
Oh,
really
chives,
good on it.
yeah.
Oh, also, if you want, you don't have to, but there is some chili.
Oh wow, this is all
And then, of course, sour cream's over there as well.
chili. Is this the one that you can put also as your hot dog buns also? Is that to be?
Yep.
And now this will be the
Oh, Dad,
verdict
it's
right here.
really hot, Dad. It's
Yeah.
really, I mean,
Really hot.
it's burning hot. Wow, that's impressive.
That is just the tip of it. Hey Benji, I can dream of this tonight.
Dream of this? Wow, thank you, Dad. You heard it. He's gonna dream of this baked potato.
You're just getting better and better every day.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Well, hey, Dad, there's plenty more. There's a whole nother one in the oven if you want.
You viewers out there, just keep watching Benji's blog.